It's up to all of us to do our part with contact tracing to help stop the spread of coronavirus. But now there's an app that launched in New Jersey to help do just that.
It's very easy to use. It's a quick download, and what it will do is it will pull up some information explaining what the app is. It'll also have a menu there where you can look at where there's testing within the state, within your county. If you want a COVID test, it'll also explain to you what contact tracing is.
The Township of Bloomfield is leading the campaign and encouraging their residents to download the app. Contact tracing is a key strategy for preventing the further spread of infectious diseases such as COVID-19.
And I encourage everyone to download the new COVID Alert NJ Exposure Notification app, which is available for download both through the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. The more phones that have the app, the better we can fight this pandemic.
The most important thing about this app is that as we're standing here, right, the app, if you have the app and I have the app, these phones are now talking to each other. And they're saying, we're here, not in that language, but in the technology world, we're here, we are not 6 feet apart. And then if we were here for longer than 10 minutes, that information would be collected.
Now, it's important to note that the COVID check-in does not reveal your identity by any means, but the more information that you provide, whether it be your age or ethnicity, will only help with the effectiveness of the public health action.
It's simply that your phone and my phone have been in close proximity to each other, and one of you is now tested positive.
If a user tests positive within the next 14 days, they will be contacted by a public health official and would be provided with a validation code. Then the app would retrieve all of the random codes collected and will send out anonymous notifications to anybody potentially exposed to COVID-19.
But the really important thing about this is that when you think about contact tracing, it's easy to contact trace individuals that are within your home. But we're finding that as people are out in the community, they may be out at a restaurant, they may be out doing some shopping. You don't always know who you've been in contact with.
The app is also being used in New York, Pennsylvania, and Delaware, and does not use, track, or collect any geolocation or GPS data. It works exclusively through Bluetooth proximity detection. Reporting from Bloomfield Township for New Jersey News Network, I'm Kimberly Kravitz.